Welcome to the Autoverse, your go-to channel for everything automotive, from iconic classics to cutting-edge new releases. Today we're going back in time to explore the legendary Citroën CX, a car that still captivates enthusiasts with its unique blend of technology and design. The Citroën CX was first introduced in 1974 and was produced until 1991. As the successor to the Citroën DS, the CX continued the brand's legacy of groundbreaking innovation and elegant futuristic aesthetics. One of the car's most striking features was its streamlined aerodynamic body, which gave it a drag coefficient of just 0.36, quite impressive for its time. The fastback design with smooth lines and a sloping rear emphasized both elegance and efficiency, making the CX stand out in an era when boxy shapes dominated the roads. Under the hood, the Citroën CX offered a range of engine options throughout its lifespan. The engines included 2.0L and 2.4L inline-4 petrol engines in the early models, with power outputs varying from around 102 horsepower to 128 horsepower. In later years, the CX introduced a 2.5L turbocharged engine, delivering a more spirited drive with up to 168 horsepower. There were also diesel variants, with capacities ranging from 2.2L to 2.5L, designed for fuel efficiency. The turbocharged diesel engine, particularly the 2.5L version, gained popularity in Europe for its torque and reliability, offering a good balance between performance and economy. Moving inside, the interior of the Citroën CX was nothing short of futuristic. The dashboard had a distinctly space-aged design, featuring a wraparound layout that placed all controls within easy reach of the driver. The famous single-spoke steering wheel added to the futuristic feel, allowing for better visibility of the instrument cluster. The gauges and controls were distinctly Citroën, with pod-mounted buttons and dials that surrounded the driver. High-spec models offered plush leather seats and advanced features such as power windows, air conditioning, and even a sunroof. The spacious cabin provided ample legroom for passengers, making it a great choice for families and long road trips. Practicality was another strong point of the Citroën CX. The large trunk provided significant storage space, and the rear seats could be folded down to increase cargo capacity, an unusual feature for a luxury sedan of its time. The wagon version, called the CX Brake, was one of the largest estate cars available, offering even more utility for those who needed extra room for gear or luggage. Safety was a major focus for Citroën as well. The CX featured crumple zones, a strong body shell, and a suspension system that maintained the car's stability even in emergency situations. These features, combined with power-assisted disc brakes and all four wheels, made the Citroën CX a well-rounded and safe vehicle for its era. With its combination of innovation, style, and comfort, the Citroën CX remains a beloved classic that continues to impress car enthusiasts today. Whether you're into vintage cars or just discovering what makes Citroën so special, the CX is a fascinating piece of automotive history. Thanks for joining us on the Autoverse. Your support keeps us going, and we can't wait to bring you more exciting automotive content. See you in the next video.